Hello, Bob Brum here, and today's encouraging quote is from Ruth Smeltzer. Appreciate people. Nothing gives more joy than appreciation. Have you shown your appreciation lately? Our society goes at such a fast pace that this is often overlooked, or perhaps it is a limited insight of our society anymore. We think our value is in the loudest outcries to correct our situations, etc. Showing appreciation and thanks for what others may help you do is a great thing. Appreciating the value of others and what they offer enlightens those that help. Our world needs to understand the value of appreciation of anyone's effort and the skills that offer any situation. Perhaps they see things in a more positive light, and we need that. So if you or a group of people you're part of would like some help to see the value of appreciation, I would love to help, and I encourage you to contact us at bobbrumspeaks.com to see how we can help you. And I hope you have a great day.